Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making pav bhaji. It's one of the famous street foods of India and it's must try recipe. So without wasting any time, let's start. So here in a pan I have taken some water. To that I have added few potatoes, carrots and green peas. Even you can take cauliflowers, capsicums and beans of your choice, but these three are the basic ingredients of this bhaji or the curry. So we'll be boiling it, so it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Even if you want, you can pressure cook it. So normally I don't pressure cook, I just cook it this way because while boiling the veggies I'll be adding few stuffs to it, like once the vegetables are halfly done, I'll be adding 2 large size of tomatoes, little bit of salt to it so that the tomatoes cook really fast. Mix it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. So here you can see the tomatoes are really done. So now we'll be adding pav bhaji masala. 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. You can get this masala in any supermarket. So the main purpose of adding this masala to the boiling veggies is that it will just go, the fragrance and flavor of this masala will go inside the veggies and it will really give a very nice flavor to the recipe. Just mix it and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So now here you can see the veggies are really done. So we'll be taking a potato masher and we'll just mash it very nicely. If you want to pressure cook it, then you can take all the veggies, tomatoes, pav bhaji masala all together. Pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles and once it's done you can mash it like this. So now our veggies are ready. So if you want the real street like taste or flavor, you have to do 2 temperings, 2 tadkas to this bhaji. So we'll be doing the first tempering. So for that I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook it for 30 seconds. Chopped onions, cook it till it gets brown. To that turmeric powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. I'll be adding little bit of water to this masala so that the powder masala doesn't get burned. Cook it for 30 seconds. Then I'll be adding food color to it. It's optional but it will give a very nice color to the recipe. Then here comes the main ingredient, that is the butter. It will give a very earthly buttery taste to this recipe. It's must to this recipe. So now our tadka is ready. I'll be adding the veggies to it. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes again, and the consistency you can adjust. You can add little bit of water. Basically this recipe, this curry is means semi thick type gravy. So now it's time for the second tempering. For that I have added a piece of butter. So butter plays a very vital role in this recipe. It will really enhance the taste and fragrance of this bhaji. So to that I'll be adding freshly chopped coriander leaves, and to that the bhaji which we prepared. So basically this second tempering is done just before serving. So even you can skip this process, but if you will do this second tempering, it will definitely enhance the flavor. So just will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Here also you can adjust the consistency by adding water, little bit of water. So normally this bhaji, this tadka or curry is served with pav. It's kind of bread. So here I'll be adding little bit of water and just I'll cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So it's time to toast our pav. So for that I have taken little bit of butter, spread it and sprinkle little bit of coriander leaves, and I have taken here ready-made pav. You can get in any supermarket. Just we will toast it for 1 minute and get a little crunchy flavor. And over that, over the pav, I'll just grease a little bit of butter so that it will give a very shiny texture and it will taste awesome. So normally on the streets we serve like this only. On the top of this bhaji or curry, little bit of butter, the sliced lemon, chopped onions, chopped coriander leaves, and of course our butter toasted pav, that is bread, and it's ready to serve. Hope you have liked today's recipe. Please like, share, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Lots of love.